Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another Bobby's Backyard. Another day here on the Fiat, and as you can see, I already started mocking up some stuff. I forgot to film, and I started mocking up some stuff on the wrecked one. It's still got a lot of things to put on. Still no radiator support, no nothing. Everything just laid there, mocked up, but looks pretty good. Not bad at all. There's the parts car. So like I said, I still got to take off the horn, crash bar, mini crash bar, radiator support, this piece, the whole thing as a unit. Probably I might take it off, and a couple other things. The PAS, pedestrian awareness system, this one, this fender liner, I don't have one. I think that's it. And like I said on the last clip, I was going to show you the bad cell, and I didn't. So here's the whole battery pack again. And right here, this cell right here, there's 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the bad one right here. This one got really hot, and it got so hot, this thing is like almost mushy, and if you touch the other ones, they're still kind of hard. So I believe this really got super hot. So if I replace this module with a good module, I think this would be a good battery pack. I found one in Slovakia with 450 with free shipping, I think. So it might be worth it. I don't know. Like I said, I might still split it. I know I said in the last clip I was going to give it to my neighbor. I might split it up. I forgot I can use those batteries for my little electric car here. I'll put lithium batteries. Why put lead acid back in that when I can update it, put lithium ion, and use some of these battery packs? There's 17, or it's 18. One's bad, so we got 17. So I'll probably give him 8 and me the rest. That'll give me other batteries to do other projects with too. So this is the battery pack, and like I said, this is the bad module. And let me get this cover back on, and we'll get back on the car. Alright, took off the condenser, radiator, and the battery cooler radiator, whatever you want to call it. Evac the AC, and took out the electric pump. Let's go check out the old parts. Here's the battery cooler. Here's the electric pump that broke. I actually epoxied it all back together, and it holds really good. But like I said, I got extra car, so change it. JB welded the radiator, that held. The fan still worked, but like I said, I got everything here. So change everything over. I'm gonna start draining this coolant, start saving this coolant. I already saved some from this one, got it right there. So let's start taking off some stuff over here. Man, oh man, this car is easy to work on. Not bad. 30-40 minutes to take this whole front end off, and I took it off all in one unit. Heck yeah, all one unit. That is awesome. So now I just slap this one on the other car, and I'll be driving it tonight. Get it registered during the week. Like I said, there's the bumper. Hell yeah, this is cool. So I'll probably throw these parts in the trunk. I don't think I'll install them back in the car. And since I took out the battery, but I don't know, I'm gonna put a regular battery in it. Maybe it'll put it in neutral, but it doesn't want to go in neutral now. It did with this battery, but it might have been, this might have discharged a little. It doesn't last very long, so I'm gonna charge it, and it should go into neutral. If not, what you do right here, there's a little plug. Take out the plug. I took it out. 5mm Allen, and you turn it clockwise, I think, and then you'll hear it click, and then it puts it in neutral, and the next time you start it or put a 12-volt signal to it, it closes up and puts it back in park. Pretty cool. Alright, but yeah, I'm gonna put a charge to this lithium battery. It might be a little dead, and then maybe it'll go into neutral. But yeah, got all the parts I needed off the parts car. So now I'm gonna install the pump, put that back in there, and put the whole unit in there and plumb everything up. And about another 45 minutes. I got everything all transferred and put together. Yeah, I still have to do some gap adjustments and everything, but like I said, I just want to get it registered, inspected, then I'll come back, take everything off. I even forgot to put this piece back on, so I got to take the front bumper off anyways, so I'll do some more adjustments. I don't have the hood all the way closed. Let's see if we open it here, and look at that, everything lines up. I didn't have to do anything, everything lined up. Got that 500E cover, didn't come with it either, got it from the parts car. So now I'm gonna go get some Freon and some more coolant. Be right back. We'll do a little 0 to 60 so you can see this sucker. All right, 0. Punch it. It's burning tire. Damn, this thing's got some G's. And 60. Woo! That was a good pull. This thing is nuts. Check out the regen. Regen's pretty good. Alright, I'll do another clip on the regen so you can see how many kilowatts it pulls. You can see how much kilowatts it pulls. Go, kilowatts. It's got an 87 kilowatt magnet motor, I think, or something. But yeah, look at the regen on this. Oh, that was sucked. Here we go. 1 kilowatt 7, full throttle. And then on the regen, look at that, 37, 33. I've gotten up to about 57 getting off the freeway. Pulling about 57 kilowatt regen. Alright, we're almost back home. Alright, after driving about 7 miles, maybe a little more, 3.8 kilowatt. Not bad. And that's flooring it. Yesterday I was getting 4.4 miles per kilowatt. And it goes off. And it is another day here. As in the last clip, I got it all together. I got the fender liners in, bolted in, everything. Like I said, I still got to do gap adjustments and everything like that. Like, there's no bolt in here, but like I said, I got to take it off again. So I just need to get it inspected, check that and all that. But yep, so today we're gonna clean up the outside, get off all the writing off the paint, everything like that, clean her up. Then we're gonna clean the inside where it is filthy. Steering wheel is not too bad, seats are not too bad, but the carpets are pretty nasty. Center console's pretty nasty. Gotta put the seat back. I gotta put some more bolts back in the battery pack right there. But yeah, man, this thing is not bad. I can't wait to clean it up. Alright, so let me finish up some things and we'll start washing it up. And just like that, a few hours later, got the interior all cleaned. Heck yeah, the seats came out sweet. This interior is dope. Loving it. I know it'd be a hard sell to somebody, but like I said, it's gonna be my new daily. I'm getting rid of the Mitsubishi, so if anybody wants the Mitsubishi, that's up for sale. But yeah, came out nice. Got the mats drying out right there. This was disgusting before. Clean now. Remember there was marks on the side right here. Told you, there's no rips, no nothing. This thing's clean. Over here, got the discoloration gone. Clean. All in here. My wife cleaned the cup holders. This thing is nice. Steering wheel, it's a little faded right there. And right there, I think I can get some more dirt out of there, but this is nice. Way nice. I got a little bit of hair. Expected. Come on. There we go. Looking nice. Here's the outside, all washed up. Paint's not in bad shape for 10 years old. This thing is nice. This thing is fun to drive. Again, allergies. Hot, cold, hot, cold. Alright, so I was going to end this video and probably complete this series. 2-part series, quick rebuild. Nice. Just like with the Mini Cooper, quick rebuild also. Alright, that's going to end today's Bobby's Backyard on the 2013 Fiat EV Electric. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing down below. And if you have, thank you for the support. Please like, share, comment down below. Really helps the channel. And just like my shirt says, can we all just get a bone? Until next time, talk to you guys later.